Alright, so this foldable fan is actually really nice to use, especially when you want something lightweight and easy to carry around. Whether you are outdoors at an event or just dealing with a warm day at home like I am here, it gives you a solid breeze without making any noise. The silk material really helps catch the air, and the bamboo frame feels sturdy every time you open and close it. Now, I was sent this decorative Japanese folding fan by BURIUS, and the design is beautiful. The colors stand out, and the tassel gives it that classic traditional style. It folds down small so you can keep it in a bag or even a pocket and pull it out whenever you need to cool down. This is great for even like weddings, parties, dance performances, or as a photo prop. It is also a fun accessory for travel or costume since it does add that vintage Japanese style look, and because it is made from silk and bamboo, it feels higher quality than the typical paper fans you see. So if you want something practical but also elegant to use or gift, this is a really nice option for you.